And the government did take measures in the budget to protect working families. That's why the social protection budget, which your leader yesterday dismissed, of €2 billion, you say it's insignificant. It was a significant intervention, a progressive intervention, a targeted intervention for those most in need in our society. But it's not credible just to attack every area of taxation and then to attack every area of expenditure for it not being enough. Your position on the economy would seriously undermine the foundations of our state and undermine the future. And we need to all be honest about we need to be honest about managing demographics, about managing the risks, about managing the concerns around global trade, and that's why this government has done that in Budget 2026. We haven't taken the popular measures which you present every week on additional temporary measures, which isn't sustainable in overall economic.
Deputy Cullinane.
Minister, I or my party will not take lectures from Fianna Fáil on economics. You crashed the economy and made people's life miseries. They lost their homes, they lost their jobs. You're in no position to come in here and lecture anybody on economics. When you talk about platitudes, I'm talking about people who are making tough choices. What bills do I pay? It's a reality facing those families. You can come in and talk about Sinn Féin, Sinn Féin, Sinn Féin. Talk to the people who are listening, who are affected by this. One hike after the other, and the same with the property tax. You talked about the housing report as if it was some great report for the government. That housing report said 15 more years of a housing crisis under your government's watch. Another generation of young people locked into a housing crisis and locked out of any chance of having their own home. That's a shameful record of your government. 15 more years, we can't take it. I've asked you a simple question. It's not supermarkets or groceries that have or insurance companies who have hyped up the property tax. You did, and you can stop it, and I'm asking you to stop it.
Minister.